Hi YouTube, yuha. So as a non-programmer, I wanted to see if programming actually fits me. Do you think I will be a good programmer in the future, or if programmer is actually a suitable job field that I could be in? All of a sudden, no. I didn't even start on anything. I was searching on Google and I found this game that tells you if you are a good fit for me. This game tells you easily what coding is or the concept itself and a lot about the algorithm. This game was made by Stanford, and so let's get to it. I never heard about this game. Well, let's check the reference. So they give you built-in Karel commands, program structure, condition name, new command, new condition, yada yada yada. They said this is a good, website to use. So let's give it a try and see how well I fit for programming. We already had a IT intern telling me, I don't know, boss. When I saw you code, maybe not the right fit, but let's go. Let's see. Start. Lesson 1. You are Karel. Is this memory game? Beeper. 뭐라고? Wait, what? You're Karel. 잠깐만, 나 망했어. Wait, I didn't watch it carefully. So my goal is to move Karel here. Here? Move. Oh, all of a sudden I'm typing? So this program makes Karel execute 4 commands in a row. Main function, move, put beeper, move. So I will move. 여기 놔두고 move. So I'm guessing this is currently teaching me the basic of what I'm supposed to do. Place a square of a beeper. Put beeper, move, turn left. Put beeper, move, turn left. Put beeper, move, turn left. Oh my god, this is gonna be disgusting. I don't honestly, but as a real coder, I don't think this is a smart way of coding, where you have multiple steps, right? There must be easier way to code than writing out every step, but let's see. Wow! What the heck? Wait, I wonder what happens if I get it wrong. Do they yell at me? Come on, I want to see what happens if I just do this. Front is blocked. Turn left. Bad coder. 돌고 한번 돌고 다음에 What happens if I do this? Don't try this at home. Walk the simple maze. This function teaches Karel how to... Oh, so now we're at unit 4 already? So now we're creating a new function called turn right, where it turns left 3 times. Oh, 대박이다. So now this function teaches Karel how to turn around. What the heck does turn around mean, guys? It has to be flipped. 그러면은 how do you flip it? Wait, 잠깐만. Guys, I'm stuck at level 4, lesson 2. Okay, now we're picking up the newspaper. Go outside, pick up the newspaper. 잠깐만. Move. Guys, I'm already stuck. Okay. 이렇게 right. Turn right. 하고. Wait, what? 천천히 하나씩 봐야 되겠다. Turn right and then move and move right, then turn left. Pick it up 해서 turn around 하면은 그다음에 I wanna turn right. Move. Turn around. 될 것 같은데? 와! I'm so smart. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the Stanford kernel game. The last one is, I think, bugged. The last one doesn't work, guys. So if you enjoy doing this type of learning or understanding how programming works, you definitely do fit for programming or for being a developer slash programmer slash coder, depending on what language you want to call yourself. However, if you are someone like me who yells at the chair and screams at you and swear at you, maybe programming isn't a good fit. So this is a very good way to test if you are capable of being a programmer. And if it doesn't stress you out but you enjoyed doing this, highly recommend. And the result for me will be open-ended, open book. It's open-ended. I don't know, it's up to you guys. If you think I enjoyed it, then give me a thumbs up. If you think I did not, just leave a comment below. So thanks guys for watching.